Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. Today we'll be seeing the type tool and the type of things we could do with it. Design. So you could have obviously reshape it to anything you like or in your style. And you do not want the text to be white, so I'm gonna fix that. There you go. So let's say we want to write a name like that. Let me make this a little bigger. Alright. So you got a name, you want to make it special, you know, like you want to design it. What you could do is go down to the FX. Probably won't show, but it's fine. You could click bevel in emboss and stroke, inner shadow, inner glow, Satan, color overlay, gradient overlay, pattern overlay, outer glow, drop shadow. I prefer drop shadow. Choose any color for it. It's not gonna show, but it's fine. Choose black. You could choose the distance you want on it. Something like that. You could choose the spread. Make it look 3D, you know? Like that. It has like a hovering effect. The stroke would look like this. You could have another inner glow, like your favorite color. Maybe like red. And then you could have a bevel emboss like this. Give it more of a 3D look if you like. Like that. You could size it. Change it up. Soften, wouldn't recommend. Just makes it look spongy. Now if you want to use the outer glow, it could look like this, but I wouldn't recommend using it with stroke because it's not going to look well. Excuse me for that. Now you could put like an image here, I'd say. Little picture, whatever you want, you know. So, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed, and have a good day.